Hey you guys, the Doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. Ho ho ho! I come bearing Christmas gift ideas. So it's November, it's the end of November, which means Christmas is right around the corner. And if you were wondering, what am I going to get that person that I love who sews all my clothes because they love me or just love sewing in general? Wonder no more. I'm bringing you the gift ideas today, okay? Which is why I'm wrapped up like a Christmas gift in my bow, ready for the holidays. All right, you guys, so if you're coming back to my channel, hi, get comfortable. If it's your first time here, welcome, get comfortable. And we're just gonna go ahead and get into this video. Definitely subscribe if you have not, and that way we can just continue to hang out together, and let's get started. All right guys, so first on my list I have the OttLite. The OttLite. Now this light is not only a light for your workstation, but it actually has a cup here where you can actually put your scissors, thread, markers, pencils, whatever you're using on your station, and you can keep yourself organized. So I absolutely love this as a gift idea because if you sew, you know that it can get dark in certain areas in your workstation, and you'll just need like a lamp to lighten it up and allow you to see a little better, especially at night. And then what better way to put all your stuff away than just right there in the lamp in the little organization kit. Also, it's an LED light and it has settings so you can dim it or brighten it however you want to. And let's see, what I love about this is that it's like a natural daylight. So I don't know about you, but here in Atlanta it's getting dark a lot earlier than it used to. And even just in the fall and winter in general, it tends to be pretty dark. So having like daylight is actually really nice to have that in your workstation, even when it's dark. And it's got a flexible neck so you can move it around to, you know, go over here if you're ironing, or go over there if you're sewing or cutting, whatever you're doing, it moves with you. So I love this OttLite. All right, the next thing we have here, which I didn't even know this existed, is this Fiskars scissor sharpening kit. And it just sharpens the blade of those scissors. So over time, you know, your scissor blades can get dull and they may not cut your fabric as well as they used to. And I don't know about you, but a lot of people that sew have like a favorite pair of scissors that they don't want to get rid of. And if that's the case, just give them this. That way they can sharpen their scissors and keep the ones that they love. And I think this was only like $8. So, you know, definitely a good gift, or even like a stocking stuffer would definitely work as well. All right, guys, next up is another light because lighting is so important. And this one is actually another OttLite. And this one is actually a 2-in-1 LED sewing machine light. So what I love about this is that you can plug it up with a USB, and then it also runs off of AAA battery. So you got two options where you don't even have to use a plug if you want to. And this light actually attaches right on the side of your sewing machine, and then the arm of it actually extends around and it bends to right under your sewing machine at the needle. Now, I don't know about you guys, but it gets a little dark under that sewing machine sometimes. And so to have that extra light right there at your needle is just amazing. And this is another thing that I didn't even know was out, but I love it. So definitely a good gift, or even a stocking stuffer. Probably a gift. I think this one was, let's see, this one was like $32.99, so right at $33. So love that. All right. Next thing, I'm a rotary girl. Fiskars again has a rotary cutter. This one has a grip. Sometimes they just have the single handle, but this one is kind of a better, sturdier grip. And you know, if you have anybody who has arthritis or is older or you know, any type of dexterity issues. I don't have dexterity issues, but I just like a rotary cutter. To me, it just goes smoothly around your patterns and things like that. This may definitely be a great option. I wouldn't necessarily recommend it for someone who only sews with scissors because they may not want to be a rotary cutter, may not want to use a rotary cutter. But if they, you know, are maybe new to sewing, or you again have any type of dexterity issues, this could definitely be a great gift just to alleviate any of that from their life so they can continue happily sewing. And this rotary cutter came in at $17.28, so not bad at all. All right, you guys, next up, Fiskars. Love Fiskars. Fiskars. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Anyway, scissors, okay? So I absolutely love these scissors. They are razor edge shears, and they say sharpest blades because these things are so sharp. They cut through your fabric like butter. And they have this precision tabletop cutting because they're on an angle. I don't know, let's see, yeah, you can see that. So, you know, sometimes you have flat scissors that you have to, you know, steady with your hand on the table, but these actually sit right on your tabletop and make that so much easier to just cut right straight through your fabric because they're at that angle. So definitely love these. Definitely a great gift. I don't think you can ever have enough scissors, but you know, if you know someone who cuts with scissors, definitely go with these. I cut with the rotary, but I still have scissors for certain things, so you never know. And these scissors came in at $23, so definitely another good buy. All right, you guys, next up, I have the Fiskars rotary blade refills. Let me tell you, this may look simple to you, but if you know someone who sews with rotary cutter blades, like that's always an ongoing expense because they get dull, you have to replace them, all of those things. So just to be able to give this gift, even as a stocking stuffer, because these are only $7.19, great gift. Definitely check, because here's the thing, they come in 45 millimeters and then I think 60 millimeters. So you might want to sneak into your sewing room, your loved one's sewing room, and just check and see what size their rotary cutter is. That way you can make sure that you get the right size for them. But definitely a great gift to have. Okay, you guys, so I found a few other great gift ideas on Amazon, and so let's go ahead and get into those. The first one is this Steam Fast mini steam iron, and I love this because you can travel with this iron. And if you sew, or you know someone who loves to sew, you know that you're going to do a lot of ironing, and you know, this can travel with them. Or even if they want to just keep it in their sewing room, this is just a nice little tiny iron that can quickly, you know, press out seams or whatever you need to do when you're on the go. This iron is $21.69, so definitely a great deal with that. And as you can see, it's gotten over 20,000 reviews and it's gotten 4.6 stars, so that looks like a great gift idea to me. All right, next here we have the Living Pro Premium Tailor Scissors. These are made out of stainless steel, and you know, I showed you the other pair of scissors that are, you know, bent on your desktop, but if your loved one doesn't like that type of thing, this is definitely another great option. These are, you know, definitely sharp. They're titanium coated, and can definitely get the job done when it comes to cutting your fabrics. And these are coming in at $13.99, and there's a coupon here where you can save an extra 15%. So that looks like a great deal to me. This could definitely be a great gift idea, or even a stocking stuffer. And as you see, this pair of scissors has actually gotten over 22,000 ratings of 5 stars. So definitely a great gift idea. All right, the next one here is this magnetic pickup tool. And I know you're thinking, like, why is she showing us this magnetic pickup tool? Well, let me tell you why. So have you ever dropped your pins or your needles, or your loved one probably has? I've definitely dropped my whole container of needles on the floor before, or pins on the floor. And I've had to get on hands and knees and pick them up and get a flashlight to make sure I get them all so I don't step on any. But that's where this baby comes in. So look at that. It's picking up a hammer, y'all. So definitely, you know, spare your loved ones back. And get them this great pickup tool. They can just extend it, and they don't have to worry about reaching or bending or anything to get those pins or those needles. And this is coming in at $7.88, and then you can save an extra 5% with this coupon. So definitely a great idea. All right, next, you guys, are these Madame Sew heat erasable fabric marking pens. Now let me tell you the awesome thing about this. These are used, of course, to write on your fabric, and they are erasable. I can go to Joann and get one marker, just one marker, one pen for like $8. But these are $16.99. You get a pack of 4 and then 4 refills. So that is just an awesome, awesome deal. They come in different colors, and again, the ink goes away with just a hot iron. So that's really just awesome. Definitely a great idea for a stocking stuffer or something like that. Okay, next, you guys, is this Winish Sewing Machine LED strip light. So I know you're thinking, why does she keep showing us all these lights? That's because lighting is everything, okay? If you don't have good lighting, what do you have? So when you're sewing and it's dark in the room, or it's dark outside and you don't have great lighting, let me show you. This strip light here goes right under your sewing machine. And look at that. You see how she's in that dark room, and she's got that strip light under there, and it's just bright, and she can see her work and everything that she's doing. This is amazing, y'all. I would love, love to get this as a gift. And this one is, it has an adhesive, so it just quickly and easily sticks to your sewing machine without a lot of installation, and just makes your life literally a whole lot brighter. So this one has gotten over 6,000 ratings of 4.5 stars for good reason, and it's right at $12. So definitely a great gift idea or a stocking stuffer. All right, last one on my list, guys, is this magnetic wrist sewing pin cushion. Oh, honey, let me get into this. So if you, you need your pins, say you're pinning a hem, or you're pinning, working on your mannequin or whatever you're doing, and you just need quick access to those pins. You don't have to worry about sticking them in a pin cushion or pulling them out of the container and sticking yourself. You can just slap this baby on your wrist, stick those pins on that magnet, and they're there. They're stuck there. Look at that. So that's just amazing. And I love the design of this. It just looks so sleek and so modern. So I really think that's nice. And again, 4.5 stars or 4.6 stars. Definitely a great idea. And this one is $11.99. So you can't go wrong there. So that is, you know, definitely a great gift option for the ones you love that sew. All right, you guys. Well, that is my last gift on the list. All right, you guys. So I'll be sure to link all of these items and goodies down in the description bar below, just in case you're interested in purchasing any of them for yourself or for your loved one. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, I enjoyed making it for you. Hopefully you got some great gift ideas for those people that you love. And these gifts are not only good for Christmas, you know, birthdays, anniversaries, whatever it may be. These are always going to be great gifts for your loved ones. Or if you even want to gift yourself or send this video to someone just to give them a hint of what you want for Christmas, thumbs up on that. So yeah, you guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below, and definitely subscribe to my channel. That way you can always be sure to see the fun videos, and we can continue to hang out together. All right, you guys, well, happy holidays, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.